Hey everyone, have you ever gotten to 2 p.m. and felt like you've already run a marathon? Your brain is foggy, your energy is just gone. Well, there's a brilliant concept that explains this perfectly, and it's called the spoon theory. Yes, as in the spoon you use to drink your soup. Imagine you start every day with a limited amount of spoons, let's say 12. Each spoon represents a unit of energy. Getting out of bed, that's 1 spoon. Making breakfast, another spoon. Commuting, answering emails, that meeting, it all costs spoons. Now, for someone with a chronic illness, disability, or even just overwhelming stress, they might start with fewer spoons. And each task might cost more, so by lunchtime, they might be completely out, while others still have a handful of spoons left. It's not that they are lazy, they just run out of spoons. So why does this matter? Because it's a powerful tool for empathy. When a friend says, "I don't have the spoons for that," you understand they are making a conscious choice to preserve their energy. And the great news is you can actually create more spoons. Things like a 10-minute walk, saying no to non-essential tasks, or even just drinking a glass of water can sometimes give you a spoon back. It helps us to be kinder to ourselves and others. So tell me in the comments, what's the one thing that usually gives you a spoon back? See you next time!